Good morning. You are listening Pooja Kushwaha, your news anchor of Lava Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 25th June from around the world. In conflict-hit countries, coronavirus testing may not reach women. As of this week, the disease had infected about 9 million people and killed almost 500,000 worldwide. A woman has her body temperature checked as she arrives for a nucleic acid test during a government-organized visit to a testing site following a new outbreak of coronavirus disease in Beijing. Oxford platform to accelerate COVID-19 test into use. The $1.6 million research program seeks to bring together experts who are highly experienced in evaluating diagnostic tests and generating the robust evidence required for a test to be used in the UK's National Health Service. The COVID-19 National Diagnostic Research and Evaluation Platform, or CONDOR, will create a single national route for evaluating new diagnostic tests in hospitals. Pilots on Pak plane that crashed were discussing coronavirus during landing. The Pakistan International Airline plane crashed into crowded residential area on May 22 after both engines failed as it approached Karachi airport, killing all but 2 people on board. Advanced cancer chemotherapy may not aggravate risk of severe COVID-19. While chemotherapy was not found to be an aggravating factor, they said patients treated with checkpoint inhibitor immune therapy were more likely to be hospitalized with respiratory complications from the viral infection. Of the 20% of patients with severe respiratory illness, they said 11% required high-flow oxygen and 9% required respirators. Pakistan teenagers commit suicide after failing to complete online game task. Muhammad Zakaria, a resident of Hingerwal, committed suicide by hanging himself from a ceiling fan on Tuesday after he missed the mission assigned to him while playing PUBG, according to senior police officer Ghansafar Syed. India-China hold diplomatic meeting on border standoff in Ladakh. Wednesday meeting is a follow-up to one of the corps commanders of the Indian and Chinese armies on Monday at Moldo on the Chinese side of the contested line of actual control, during which both the sides had agreed on measures to de-escalate the situation. 1,500 cooperative banks with nearly 5 lakh crore rupees asset brought under RBI supervision. The move to bring cooperative bank under RBI supervision is aimed to increase their accountability and strengthen their compliance with the regulatory framework. Arogya Setu to be coupled with another IT-driven tool to boost surveillance contact tracing in Delhi. As per the order issued by the Directorate General of Health Services in Delhi on Monday, all the chief district medical officers and surveillance officers of all the districts have received a revised response plan which prescribes use of Arogya Setu coupled with Itihas system with cluster projection. The purpose is to boost surveillance of positive cases and improve contact tracing, officials said. Baking Passion deals in all type of bakery item and cookies. They are specialized in customized order for all type of occasions. They deals in both egg and eggless bakery, cookies, cakes, designers chocolates with unique decoration. Their bakery staff utensils, the other essential products are going under strong hygiene protocols. You are also contact with them. Their address is Kabul Nagar, Shaharda, near Gulshan Meet Corner, Delhi 32, and their contact number is 9654139988. I'm Pooja Kushwaha. Come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.